About this item widely compatibility. This lightning to headphone jack adapter works with iPhone 12, 11, 11 Pro XS, XS Max, XR, X8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus SE, iPad, iPod and more devices with iOS 10.3 above. You will be able to keep playing music using your original 3.5mm headphones auxiliary cable in car. Hi-fi sound quality. This iPhone headphones adapter with advanced noise reduction technology for iPhone earphone. It supports up to 24-bit 48 kHz lossless output. 100% copper wire core provides high-speed and stable signal transmission for better and comfortable experience. Perfect match all 3.5 earphone. High fidelity on the music. Enjoy your favorite music, videos, or movies freely. That's a wonderful solution to let you enjoy the music. Reliable MFi certification. The 3.5mm lightning adapter has been certified by Apple. Checkable certification. It will not pop up an error message, nor will it damage your device. It can meet strict iPhone requirements and ensure a secure connection with Apple devices. Designed for lightning devices without 3.5mm audio ports. Please note, this adapter cannot be used for calls. Small and convenient, no extra software. 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. It's easy to carry. When you travel, go out or drive home, this small item will be your best friend. Just plug it into the iPhone